Day number 7, guys. So I'm still doing these ceiling tiles. And after the batteries run out, I'm gonna try and do other things and see how it goes. So holding that angle grinder above my head is really, for a better phrase, kicking my butt, guys. It's making me feel as tired as I was back in basic training again, honestly. I just, man. I'm thinking about hiring someone just to help me with the demolition process and get that done so I can actually start building. So I can start building my home. That's all I'm thinking about right now, guys. So, I'm still going. It's taking me 2 batteries and I've got it about 3/4 the way done. But yeah, I'm gonna still keep doing it. And what I've done so far is take all the old insulation and I folded it up, and all the other parts I went ahead and put out in the yard. So that's a whole nother panel out, guys. And I put all the excess old insulation down there, and I got it off of that, and so I'll just get it off every panel that I do from now on. I'll just get it out and just pile it there until I throw it all away. Alright guys, so my second charge of 2 batteries just died, but I did get the 3rd panel down and I put it over there. So I've got almost 1/3 of the bust done, getting the ceiling panels removed. So we'll see how that works. But 2 charges every day of the batteries, I get 1 panel down. That doesn't sound too bad, honestly. And here is the big panel I got. And then underneath it is the other 2 panels I got taken down. All the chairs, all the other stuff. So now I'm just trying to figure out how to keep this going and maybe do it faster. We'll see how that works.